Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Tanika, and today I'm in the kitchen again. Today I'll be preparing some brown stewed fish. So I have my fish and my dried seasoning. Use the seasoning of your choice. So after seasoning the fish, I'm going to cover and leave it to marinate for at least 20 minutes. Now I'm adding some cooking oil to my frying pan, and I'll also be adding a piece of scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm going to leave this and allow it to get well heated. Now the oil is heated, I'm going to add the fish and leave to cook on one side, and I'll get back to you when I'm going to cook it. After leaving the fish to fry on one side, it has gained the desired color. So now I'm going to flip and leave them to fry on the next side. So when it has gained the desired color on both sides, I'm going to remove from the pan. Just look at those perfectly fried fish, guys. These are my natural seasonings for my brown stew sauce, and I also have some carrots here. I'm sauteing the natural seasonings in some vegetable oil. Now that they have sauteed, I'm going to add some water. Now it's time to add the powdered seasoning, ketchup, browning, sugar, and carrots. So remember to use the seasonings of your choice and season to your liking. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and if you're feeling generous, you can go ahead and donate to my PayPal account. The link will be in the description and the name will also be on the screen. Don't forget to like this video for more cooking tutorials, and subscribe, share, and comment. After combining all the ingredients for the brown stew fish sauce, I'm going to go ahead and cover, and I'm going to leave it to boil for approximately 10 minutes. It's now time to add the fish to the sauce. I'm going to place them facing one direction so that they will be easier to spoon the sauce over. I'm going to cover the pot for another 5 minutes. Remember that fish cooks easily and this is already cooked, so I don't want the fish to break apart. I'm flipping the fish so that both sides are evenly coated with the brown stew sauce. I'm also going ahead and adding the carrots on top of the fish. And this is how we prepare real Jamaican brown stew fish. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed my video and I hope my video helped someone. I served the fish with some rice and peas and some vegetables. As I said before, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I hope my video helped someone and I hope you enjoyed my video. Until next time, bye!